Introduction to berberine. Berberine, a bitter-tasting alkaloid with a distinctive yellow hue, is a naturally occurring compound found in various parts of plants, including the roots, stem, bark, and berries. It is notably present in species such as barberry, Canadian yellowroot, greater celandine, and Indian barberry, the latter of which is also referred to as tree turmeric due to its vibrant coloration. Initially isolated from plants in the 20th century, berberine has since garnered significant attention for its bioactive properties. Beyond its presence in the natural world, berberine is commonly extracted and concentrated for applications in dietary supplements and herbal remedies. The historical significance of berberine-rich plants traces back to traditional Chinese medicine, where they have been prized for centuries for their therapeutic benefits. In this ancient healing tradition, preparations containing berberine were utilized to address a variety of ailments owing to their purported medicinal properties. In recent decades, scientific interest in berberine has surged, leading to extensive research into its potential health effects. Studies have explored its impact on various physiological processes, including its potential to support cardiovascular health, regulate blood sugar levels, and promote digestive well-being. Moreover, berberine has been investigated for its antimicrobial properties, with research suggesting its efficacy against certain bacterial, viral, and fungal pathogens. Such findings have sparked further exploration into the possible role of berberine in combating infectious diseases and supporting immune function. As our understanding of berberine continues to evolve, ongoing research endeavors seek to elucidate its mechanisms of action and therapeutic potential. Amidst this scientific inquiry, the traditional wisdom surrounding berberine-rich botanicals remains a source of inspiration and guidance in harnessing nature's remedies for human health and well-being. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. Unveiling the essence of berberine requires a journey into the heart of the plants that contain this powerful alkaloid. Berberine is a compound that boasts a distinctive golden color, responsible not only for the vibrant hues of the plants it resides in, but also for a plethora of medicinal properties. Its use in traditional medicine spans across continents, from the lush forests of India to the mountains of China, where it has been used to treat various ailments without the knowledge of its active component. Today, scientific research has illuminated the mechanisms through which berberine exerts its effects, marking it as a compound of interest in the modern pharmacopoeia. Berberine and weight loss. In the quest for weight loss solutions, berberine emerges as a beacon of hope. Studies have shown that this compound can significantly influence metabolism, leading to weight reduction in overweight individuals. Its action is twofold. Berberine activates an enzyme called AMP-activated protein kinase, AMPK, often referred to as the body's metabolic master switch. This activation enhances the burning of fat and reduces the production of new fat cells. Furthermore, berberine improves insulin sensitivity, ensuring that glucose is used more efficiently by our bodies, which can help in managing cravings and reducing fat storage. Berberine and diabetes management. The prevalence of diabetes has surged in recent decades, making the discovery of effective management strategies more crucial than ever. Berberine shines brightly in this arena, offering hope to those battling this chronic condition. Its impact on blood sugar levels is profound and comparable to that of metformin, a commonly prescribed diabetes medication. By enhancing insulin sensitivity and promoting the uptake of glucose into the cells, berberine helps stabilize blood sugar levels, offering a natural adjunct or alternative to conventional treatments. Its benefits extend beyond glucose management, addressing some of the root causes of diabetes, such as obesity and lipid metabolism disorders. Berberine and heart health. The heart, our lifeline, is often put at risk by modern lifestyles characterized by poor diets and sedentary habits. Berberine steps in as a guardian of cardiovascular health, wielding its power to combat several risk factors simultaneously. It has been shown to lower high blood pressure, reduce elevated cholesterol levels, and decrease arterial stiffness. These effects collectively contribute to a reduced risk of developing heart disease, showcasing berberine's multifaceted approach to heart health. Berberine and gut health. Our gut is often referred to as our second brain, highlighting its importance in overall health and well-being. Berberine's benefits extend into this critical area, where it acts as a potent antimicrobial agent. Its ability to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria while promoting the health of beneficial gut flora makes it a valuable tool in treating gastrointestinal issues and improving digestive health. This balancing act is crucial for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which is linked to a wide range of health outcomes, from immune function to mental health. Potential side effects of berberine. While berberine is a natural compound with a plethora of health benefits, it is not free from potential side effects. Some individuals may experience gastrointestinal discomfort, such as cramping or diarrhea, particularly at higher doses. Additionally, berberine can interact with various medications, influencing their metabolism and efficacy. Therefore, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before adding berberine to your regimen, especially if you are taking other medications or have underlying health conditions. Is berberine bad for kidneys? Concerns often arise regarding the long-term use of supplements and their impact on kidney health. The question of whether berberine is bad for kidneys is complex and warrants a nuanced answer. Current research indicates that berberine is generally safe for most people when taken in recommended doses. However, individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions should exercise caution and seek medical advice before using berberine supplements. Monitoring kidney function during prolonged use of any supplement, including berberine, is a prudent approach to safeguarding health. How to take berberine supplements. Incorporating berberine into your health regimen requires understanding the optimal ways to take it for maximum benefit. Berberine supplements are typically available in capsule or tablet form, with recommended dosages varying depending on the condition being addressed. A common approach is to take 500 mg 3 times a day before meals to support blood sugar management, weight loss, and cardiovascular health. However, starting with a lower dose and gradually increasing, it can help minimize potential side effects and allow your body to adjust to the supplement. Choosing the right berberine supplement. The market is flooded with various berberine supplements, making the choice overwhelming. When selecting a berberine supplement, look for products that have undergone third-party testing for purity and potency. Additionally, consider the source of berberine, opting for supplements derived from reputable plant sources and manufactured by credible companies. Reading reviews and researching the best options can guide you in making an informed decision that aligns with your health goals. Conclusion: harnessing the power of berberine for better health. As we've journeyed through the world of berberine, it's clear that this natural wonder offers a treasure trove of health benefits. From aiding in weight loss and managing diabetes to supporting heart and gut health, berberine stands out as a versatile and potent ally in the quest for better health. However, like any supplement, it's essential to approach its use with mindfulness, considering potential side effects and interactions. Consulting with healthcare professionals, choosing quality supplements, and listening to your body are key steps in safely integrating berberine into your wellness routine. By doing so, you unlock the potential to harness the power of berberine for a healthier, more vibrant life. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.